Navin Kumar. Today I'm going to discuss about reduced method in JavaScript. So reduced method is mainly useful for iterating over an array and it and accumulates its value into a single result. So this could be either some product or object or any other data type. So mainly used to return only a single value from an array, so we use reduced method. So reduced method mainly takes four parameters, one dependency. So accumulator is nothing but just for reference purpose we are taking accumulator. For dependency, the accumulated reference value we are placing in dependency. So here you are seeing that the four parameters. Here accumulator value is a just for reference value, and here this reference value is taken from the dependency. Accumulator value reference value is placed on dependency, and so I'm declaring one array, constant array with fixed length, and um, I'm taking array name and iterating using reduced method, and which takes four parameters. And here accumulator and element value will be mandatory values, and remaining index and array are optional. You if you can print, you can take. Otherwise, you no need to print. And index means whatever, if you want to print only one index from in iterating, if you want to iterate over index, we can pass index as a parameter, and if you want to print total array, we can as a pass as a parameter as an array. And it will so we are doing sum of uh, two numbers. Here accumulator means it will store the previous, here accumulator value will be 0 at first. 0 plus 1 1, and again 1 will be stored in accumulator value, and 1 previous value, whatever one previous value we do addition, right? So 1 plus, now again the element, next element in the array, 2 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 10, 29. The total sum of the output will be 29. Just so now after printing the sum, we will get total output as a 29. Now I am just running in terminal, VS Code terminal. So if you want to run any JavaScript code without a help of any browser, so we need to just install Node.js, and after that you need to move the uh, folder wherever the file is present. So i'm on currently on a that on that folder only. I'm just type the command, whatever the file name, node and file name.js. When you type this command and hit enter, so you will get the output 29. So similar way for product also, like I'm just typing, I'm just commenting out a previous code. So similar way, uh, so product, same, I'm taking same array only, constant array, I'm saving it. And same product, I'm declaring the I want to do product of two numbers, so I'm declaring, I'm taking array name and doing reduce method. I'm iterating over reduce method. I'm printing product of two numbers, and accelerator value will be, I'm taking 1. So if you take 0 na here, it will product anything into 0 means 0 only. So that's why I am considering only 1. Accumulator 1, 1 into whatever the element, 1 into 2 2, 2 value will be stored in uh, again accumulator. So 2 into previous value, whatever previous, 2 into 3 6, 6 will be, and 6 fours 24, 24 nines, something total value we will get the product after I'm printing the uh, whatever the accumulator value will be stored in the product. I'm printing that product in terminal. So I'm just typing node reduce dot whatever the, if you need to move the file folder, and type the command node filename.js and hit enter, you will get the product of value, total value, to the product of total array, we will get sorry, product of two values, not product of an array, we will get totally only. If you want to return only a single value from an array, we must and use reduce method. That's it. Thank you.